Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you tips to crack any exam like a topper. Here it begins. First tip is examination pattern overview. It is important for students to go through previous year question papers and sample papers. Determine important topics or chapters for every subject paper. Second tip, preparation of short notes. Prepare separate notes for each chapter and maintain a different notebook for every subject. Make sure that the notes are comprehensive and covered all the important keywords from each subheading of the chapter. This notebook must serve as a ready for revision. Importance of underlining and highlighting. Students tend to mindlessly highlight or underline most words in a sentence in the textbook. But if these tools are used effectively, they can help improving our memorizing ability. Formula list. For every student studying maths or physics for their exams, it is essential to make formula lists and stick them in front of your study table. This will really help. Fifth one is prepare a balanced study schedule. This is another cheat code for topping the exams. Prepare your study schedule smartly. Always balance heavy subjects with lighter subjects. Do not feel exhausted early. Presentation. Believe it or not, presentation is the key in the exams. A neat sheet will take you higher up in the marks ladder. It is always a good idea to solve question papers and focus on organizing your answers efficiently, while keeping the presentation tidy, underlining important keywords. Drawing a line after each answer is highly appreciated. You will be flooded with all kind of advices, but in all this, choose. It is important for you to figure what works for you and to keep your head clear. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Pinpharma to keep yourself updated. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.